Thank you guys. Thank you.
Esteemed Chief Guest, it marks a special occasion in the history of Danish High Tech. It's a day to recognize the hard work, dedication, and achievement of our graduates. Peaceful livelihood of your parents and support. I offer my heartfelt congratulations on this special day. Your hard work, determination, and perseverance have paid off, and you have earned your degrees. As you leave the you made us proud, and we feel accomplished to have you educated and prepare you to the.
So, parent, what is the best thing that they can do in their life is, whether their son or daughter, they make them to sit in the people of learned group. அறிவில் சிறந்த ஒரு குழுவில் அவர்களுடைய பையனையோ பொண்ணையோ அந்த குழுவில் அமர வைக்கிறது தான் ஒரு சிறந்த விஷயமா they always consider. Right?
ஒரு 6-7 பேர் இருக்காங்க அப்படியே ஒன்று நிற்க வச்சுக்கோங்க.